Hello everyone, and thank you guys for tuning back into the channel. Before I start, I want to give a big thanks for all the support that I've been receiving. At the start of the week, I had less than 15 subscribers, and now a week later, I have over 40. So if you guys continue to enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to like and subscribe. So now let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the prolonged and awaited meeting between President Trump and President Xi Jinping of China. So before the G20 summit took place, the trade talks seemed to have stalled because there was a disagreement in the final terms of the deal that the Chinese did not want to accept. However, after the two leaders met, Trump told reporters that they were back on track, and this statement alone should ease the trade tensions because it lets all investors know that the trade war tensions are slowly coming to an end. And addition to that, there was also an announcement of President Trump saying that the 25% tariffs that were about to go into effect on over 300 billion Chinese imports has been delayed. And from what I can tell, this shows that the United States, specifically President Trump, is actually interested in ending the trade war. And to top things off, President Trump also stated that he would take Hawaii off the blacklist and allow American companies to sell equipment to them. And all in all, I think that this is a very good meeting for both countries. And from reading the news articles, I personally believe that a lot was accomplished and that we are headed into the right direction. So on some other good news that was also talked about in the G20 meeting was that President Trump was interested in meeting with Kim Jong-un of North Korea. And he specifically said that he wanted to meet with him in a demilitarized zone. And so that might be a little hard considering we're talking about North Korea here. Nonetheless, if the meeting does happen, I'm almost certain that the topic of the meeting would be about denuclearization or attempting to somehow limit North Korea's nuclear capacity. In my personal opinion, I think that this is kind of a long shot, and but it doesn't hurt to try. And once again, this just shows a good sign from the United States that it's trying to stabilize the world economy. So from the G20 summit news, that pretty much wraps it up. But I know what you guys are thinking about and what you guys are wondering. So what does this all mean for the markets? Well, considering everything that happened in the meeting was relatively good news, I think the markets will continue to rise. And specifically speaking about the index fund SPY, which is at records high, I would not be surprised if we crossed over the $300 mark within the next week and a half. Only time will tell, but for now, the opening futures tomorrow and the opening bell on Monday, I think it's pretty safe to say that the markets will begin uptrending and recover from this week's losses. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning into the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.